Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make a basic white sauce. Okay, so to start with this white sauce, I got this pan of mine and I just melted I'm going to melt this butter. Our butter is melting. To this I'm going to add my flour. You can add it slowly, but the key to making a white sauce is not to burn the flour. While this was heating, I warmed up my milk. So the milk should not be cold when you're using this. Now you see this butter, it is melted. The flour is mildly cooked. Okay, so now we're gradually gonna add this milk slowly, and so that it doesn't form any lumps. Now, here we go. Let's cut down the temperature on this. Okay, so now I'm gonna add all my milk to it and whisk it vigorously. Okay, so now our white sauce, as you can see, is gradually thickening, and you can use this for base for any other sauces throughout the time. So this, I'm going to add little salt and always add white pepper, not black pepper, because then black pepper would show. And just whisk it and let it get thick. Okay, so once it gets thick, this is what the consistency should be. You dip a spoon and you can see, look at this, it's not dripping. It coats the spoon, and that's how you know your sauce is ready. You can either strain this and make it a very smooth velvety sauce. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. And also follow us on all our social media platforms and subscribe to our blog post, which is thetopperchef.com. Happy cooking!